I Cadet Bilano Rylan R from BSMT Senior 1 Delta. This is my laboratory number 3. The basic safe operation of tankers. Preparation for loading. Testing of cargo, ballast valve, sea valve, pipelines, pump, inert gas system, and also the emergency stop are important to test first because they may be something that does not work with them and for you to know immediately first. Consult cargo data sheet and their information given by the charterer on by the loading terminal. Preparedness of firefighting, life-saving, and anti-pollution equipment. Checking of all communication equipment. And for the last, filing in the pre-arrival checklist. Loading. Kailangan mo mag-filled out on on arrival, and there should be a proper exchange of information. The terminal representative should be explained the plan for loading. The tanker must be securely moored at all times. It is important for the deck watch to know that the state of tide and the loading arms should be properly aligned to the manifold throughout the operation. Deballasting. Deballasting of tank will done as per the cargo plan drawn up by the chief officer. One person should be monitored visually the discharge of ballast even through it is segregated ballast, and all the remaining ballast in the tank will then have to be transferred to the slope tank to avoid ballast mixing with cargo. Transport. Cargoes carried by the chemical tanker differ widely in the characteristic and mode of handling and those in the care they require during transit. Attention must be paid to those special need of cargoes, and regularly check on the tank content should be made to detect unexpected change in liquid level. Preparation for discharging. The chief officer should be prepare a detailed cargo oil discharge plan before its arrival or discharge port. The plan will be posted in the CCR conspicuous location and distributed to all personnel directly involved in the discharge operation. The discharge plan should be signed to confirm that personnel has read and fully understand the procedure. The chief officer should also prepare a watch schedule and person in charge list for oil transfer operation for the discharge operation. Inerting. The process of reducing the oxygen level in the cargo tank is called inerting. Oxygen content to less than 8% is required to be in the tank contain flammable cargoes and to be able to bring the cargo tank to the oxygen level. Inert gas contain less than 5% of oxygen is introduced in the cargo tank. Ballasting. Ballasting of ship help in reducing ship stress on the hull of the vessel. It also provide for transverse stability of the ship. Ballast help in the immersing the rudder, supporting the maneuverability of vessel, and also reducing the exposed hull surface. Tank cleaning. Tank cleaning on chemical tanker is preliminary done by washing with seawater followed by freshwater rinsing. Subsequent tank cleaning and treatment of tank is done upon to cargo loaded and previous cargo carried. The step of tank cleaning on chemical tanker. First, pre-cleaning with seawater. Second, main wash by seawater. Third, chemical washing. Fourth, rinse with fresh water. 5. Draining tank. 6. Drying the tank with ventilation. 7. Mop and dry. 8. Test to verify the required standard. And last, tank inspection. Intervals to follow on board are as per the vessel plan maintenance system. In principle, the interval should be a water ballast tank, tankers, and gas carrier. At least one every 12 months. With ballast tank, container ship at least every 12 months.